we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and related names in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. For reference, this is a name of Italian origin, meaning white. In Italian, it is said as Bianca, Bianca. This is of course the feminine version of the word white. If you want the masculine version, it would be bianco. Anyhow, in Italian it is said as Bianca. In English, however, it is normally pronounced rather similarly, actually, as Bianca. Bianca. Pretty straightforward once you know Bianca. From Italian, Bianca. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.